the most beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. Hi, I'm Geeta Modi and welcome back to Geeta Learns. I hope you're enjoying all this new learning that I'm showing you. Today, I'm going to be turning a student into my guru because you can learn something from everybody. She is a student of hospitality and aspires to be a chef. She's already an excellent in-house baker. So I'm very excited because I have never baked before. I've always had people to do it for me and this is my first time. So let's go and see what's baking in her mind.
So myself Khushi Jain, I am a hospitality student from Aura University, Surat. Currently studying in second year, and I have started my page in 2019 as the food mistress, and it got a growth in like past 7 to 8 months, and till now I have baked like 700 to 800 cakes. So I basically aspire to become a hot kitchen chef, that is a person who cooks like Indian, Conti, Italian, Mexican. Not a baking person, but yeah, because I like cooking, so I started this.
Hey Khushi, how are you?
Hey Geeta ma'am, how are you?
I'm great. I'm so looking forward to, wow, look at all this. And I'm going to bake a cake. This is my first time and you have to guide me fully.
Done ma'am. So we'll start.
No, first you tell me what have you planned for me today?
So today we're gonna make a pinata cake. Pinata cake is basically a chocolate bowl, and inside we're gonna have some cake, like a chocolate truffle cake. So I have pre-prepared the cake base, and then we're gonna ice it, frost it, and then we're gonna finish it.
Wow! And it really, how many calories does it have? First tell me that.
So many calories,
so
because
many
it is
calories.
full of dark chocolate. So
dark chocolate is good. So I think it's healthy.
Yeah, it is good.
So you can just make yourself feel good. I'm having dark chocolate.
But when it is mixed with cream and sugar, so it is not healthy. So
no, let's just stick to the dark chocolate part so we feel good about it.
Okay, done.
And are you going to give us the recipe afterwards?
No, because I can't share my recipe.
Okay, so everyone, nobody's going to get the recipe. Just order your cake from her. That's it. Come on, I'm excited. Let's get going. First step.
Okay, so first.
Oh, this is anything.
You should really it.
Okay. I look like a chef.
So first, I'll brief you how is pinata going to be done.
Okay.
So this is the pinata mold we are getting in the market. So
Right.
for that, first we are going to melt this chocolate. Okay, and this is the dark chocolate which I have chopped earlier. So we're gonna microwave this for like 60 seconds till it is melted. Okay, so put this in the microwave for like 60 seconds.
Okay.
So till that time, we're gonna slice this.
Okay, so this is the ready.
This is the base, which is not
Base.
made from the premix. This is the base which is made from the premix. So you
Okay.
have to pre-mix. First slice I'll do it for you, then you start it.
So this is like a brownie, a regular brownie.
No, this is a sponge.
Sponge
Chocolate
cake.
sponge
Okay.
cake.
Okay. Chocolate sponge.
Okay. You have to give the pressure from your palm, not from your fingers.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you have to slice it. See, my knife is not going inside because you're not supposed to give cut like that. This is the hardest part. And
Oh, okay.
now you slice it.
Yes. So much?
Okay. Don't give a lot of pressure.
Okay.
Slicing a cake is not an easy part, but I think she is getting to it.
I'm going to break the cake.
Please, we don't have to.
So now. Okay. Okay, not that bad.
Give it to me. Now slice it like 2 more. And
2 more. So how many slices we need in this? We need
approx 6 slices.
6. Okay.
That we are having 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, and we can't use this. 5, 6.
Yeah. Now we'll temper the chocolate.
Oh, now we have the chocolate coming. Ooh, this looks nice and gooey. Look at that. So you want me to
Yeah.
just
Temper. Tempering means it is a process where chocolate comes to a room temperature.
okay. So it takes about how much? 5 minutes or so, or
Yeah,
3, 4 minutes?
30 seconds.
Oh, that much.
You see, there's some shine coming.
Yes. So that shows that it's coming down to
Yeah.
room temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a sign.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, there's a small.
There's a smooth fall to it, like, yeah. Good. This looks nice.
Now, you take one, I'll
Okay.
take one, and you follow me.
Yeah.
Okay? Put some chocolate.
Into the silicon mold. Silicon mold.
Silicone plastic.
The silicon plastic mold.
Okay?
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Now, धीरे-धीरे.
Oh, so you layer the whole part,
Yeah,
right? Okay. Right up to the top.
yeah. Till the edges.
Come on, come on, come on, chocolate, move. Going, 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 going. Okay, so we are making the outer part, right?
Yeah. Because we need to freeze this around like 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
Now,
Wow.
remove the excess.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
That is a perfect mold. Wow. So we don't want it too thick also, right?
No. We'll have a second layer.
Right.
But for the first layer, we need a thin
Thin
layer.
one.
Okay.
See how good this looks.
Now we'll freeze this.
Okay, so where does it go in the freezer? Now, next.
Eat this. This is more tastier.
Okay. So this also has to be microwaved?
No, but this is because of the temperature.
Okay. How does this get mixed more?
You are
I need to
lefty.
swirl it. Yeah, I'm a lefty.
थोड़ा सा.
I need to swirl it. So this is the chocolate ganache
Yeah.
which I'm swirling.
Dark chocolate ganache.
The dark chocolate ganache, which I don't feel guilty about eating. Okay,
So done.
done.
Now I'll give you.
Oh, we are putting it in bags. Okay. Okay, we have this piping bag ready in which the chocolate ganache is going to get filled.
Now
I can
close it and put it.
Do that?
Hold it like that.
Okay, just like this. Okay. Oh, see that?
Apply your pressure from palm.
From the palm. Okay.
I'm gonna make this stars.
Oh.
Try.
Oh, let me try.
Small small. थोड़ा सा ये put.
I am so rocking this cake.
Apply थोड़ा सा.
To make these ganaches look equal, it's not such an easy job, it just looks simple. They all come out in different sizes, but I think practice just makes one perfect.
Don't redo it.
Ah.
Once it is done, it is done.
Done.
Yeah.
छोटा मोटा जो भी है.
Yeah. Done. Now we're gonna do this on the cake.
Okay. So now.
First we'll do double coat to the pinata, and then we'll do the icing.
Okay, so now it has frozen a bit, and now we
Yeah.
put one more coat on that. Okay. Ooh, look at this ball of chocolate.
Okay.
Yes.
Pour some chocolate. Pour some chocolate.
Pour some chocolate.
And do it fast so that because this is hot and this is cold.
Ah,
it
there
is
that
going
one
to
will also
stick.
melt. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit faster.
You need more chocolate?
Take a
Or should
spoon.
I take a spoon and do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take a spoon and apply. Freeze it again for like 5 minutes and then we remold this.
Off to freeze.
This is done and we are going to remove. Dheere dheere, okay?
Okay. Wow. But that was mine. That was mine.
It is scary because
I am doing it.
would I adjust it?
Yes. It didn't break. It didn't break. It didn't
We
break.
will apply nature so that it is stick.
What I need to? Okay.
Just
So that it sticks.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I put
take
one slice.
in between. You can do this. It should be in center. Okay. Now spray some water. This is
Water?
the plain water, yeah.
Plain water.
To it doesn't get hard when you put ganache. Spray. Now
Okay.
you have to do this.
Ah, okay. Yes. So I'm going to be making the ganache flowers all over again. My practice will help me.
It is sufficient.
It's not helping.
ये इधर से दबाओ
हाँ.
and you do this.
Okay.
Put your hand straight. Which may be after this.
Okay. Completely fill it.
Yeah.
Rolling this chocolate inside the shell is so good. It feels so soothing. Come on,
One in
some
the
more.
center. Yeah. Now put the another slice.
Yes.
Spray some water.
Again the water. I never knew you had to spray water ever on a cake.
Everybody spray sugar syrup. on
Okay.
it, but I don't like because it becomes more
Yeah.
sugary.
I can understand. Right, that makes sense.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Still one more layer.
We'll put all the layers.
Okay.
We'll apply thoda sa chocolate chips.
Choco chips. Some more chocolate.
Yes, perfect.
Wow.
Now another layer. Okay.
Get that.
Okay, and now we'll put some butterflies. These are
And
the
we are
edible
decorating edible butterflies.
थोड़ा सा गया ना वे अच्छा ना
Oh, so cute. And some more ganache. And some more chocolate chips. Yes. This other layer is going to come on top. Wow, look at that glow. So we have to, oh, Okay. Yes, this is. Yes.
I'll make a bow.
A bow. Okay. Oh, this golden looks so beautiful against the brown. And you can just stick it in front.
On the golden apple.
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay. We have some more butterflies coming.
Just to.
Oh, so cute.
थोड़ा सा. Then. Very
The butterfly is flying. See that? Oh. Okay, the finishing touch. Now we have the. Oh, so everything is stuck with the ganache, right? Ah. Oh, this is such profound. And one more.
That will come. Take it. So this is done.
Wow!
And then
We have done it. We have baked a pinata cake. I am all set to do the pinata breaking ceremony. Are you ready? So this is the pinata breaking ceremony. All ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so bad to cut this and break it and...
थोड़ा सा. Yeah.
Oh! Ah, look at that! Some more butterflies! I am digging in! My God! Should I give it to you?
No.
No! I am in cake heaven.
So age is just a number. Today I was surprised by knowing Geeta ma'am's age, and I'm looking forward to get students of above 50 plus age, and they should be more enthusiastic like Geeta ma'am.
This has been a wonderful afternoon. I had so much fun learning to make this piñata cake, and oh my God, I can't even talk. It's so good. And Khushi has been so sweet. Now my whole team is going to sit and have that cake. So I think I have to let go and let them eat the cake. But I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I really encourage each and every one of you, whether young or old, but of course the 50 plus people, to learn more and more new things. This is really fun. Okay? Until then, I'll see you soon again with another activity, another time.